can see that vision of tomorrow. There's a time where I used to be, a time when I could see myself crowned with
Today is 26th August 2021, and we shall listen to the essence of today's Murli. In the essence, Baba says, "Sweet children, you guarantee that you will make this Bharat into heaven with the power of your yoga. There, there will be one religion and one kingdom." The question from today's Murli is, by remaining safe, from which of Maya's obstacles can you children perform great wonders? I repeat, by remaining safe, from which of Maya's obstacle can you children perform great wonders? The answer, the greatest of Maya's obstacle is to make you body conscious and trap you in the name and form of each other. The children who remain safe from this obstacle will remain safe from Maya's deception and will show many wonders. Their intellects constantly have new thoughts for service. When you become soul conscious, service will expand. So, Baba is signaling us that we have to be very cautious so that we never get trapped into body consciousness or in the name and form of any human being. The essence for dharna today is, first point, you children are on a battlefield and you are battling with Maya Ravan. Maya causes many obstacles. Your children must remain very cautious. The second point, each of you has to think about your own progress and how to explain using the pictures and how to increase service. What should we include in the pictures so that people are easily able to understand? The blessing for all of us today is, may you become full of all teachings and teach others through your form as a worthy and capable teacher. So, Baba's blessing for us today is, may you become full of all teachings and teach others through your form as a worthy and capable teacher. Worthy and capable teachers are said to be those who teach through their own forms. Their forms are full of teachings. Their way of seeing and moving will teach others. You saw in the Sakar form, at every step, every action was in a practical way in the form of a teacher. In other words, you would call it a divine activity. It is a common thing to teach others with words, but everyone wants to have an experience. With the power of your elevated actions and elevated thoughts, give everyone an experience. The slogan for today is, in order to have success in your thoughts, continue to fly with the power of the soul. I repeat, in order to have success in your thoughts, continue to fly with the power of the soul.
Today is the day of unlimited love, and our hearts had been full of love. So I went to offer bhog to Baba, and Dadiji was sitting next to Baba, and Dadi and Baba, they both were giving us drishti, lot of love from Dadi, Baba, and there was so much love as we got merged in Baba's love. Mm. It was such powerful vibrations of love that we all got merged in Baba's love. And after a few minutes, I said to Baba, I brought bhog for you. And Baba said, and also for Dadi Rai, because Baba had to bring her. There was so much invocation that even without us asking Baba to bring Dadi, Baba had already brought Dadi. So Baba accepted bhog, and Baba also told Dadi, it's bhog for you, and made her also to accept bhog. And after that was very loveful atmosphere. And Baba said that Dadi was given the name Prakash Mani. Baba said that every jewel has light, right? Any jewel will have light, like diamond will, every diamond will have some light. But Dadi's light was unlimited, and it was like all the time spreading all over. And that light was her purity, very pure heart. And because of that purity, she was able to hold love for everyone. Everyone will experience love from Dadi. Not only love, but they felt belonging. Like there was lot of feelings that Dadi also is like Bab Saman, like Baba. So Baba was looking at Dadi, and so Dadi was looking at Baba, as if Dadi is saying to Baba, it's because of you, whatever you gave me. And then Baba was saying to Dadi, and that I give to everyone, right? It's not I give you special, but you became the embodiment. You were able to take from Baba and inculcate and become the embodiment. So that is why you were like Baba. So then Baba looked at Dadi, and Dadi said, it's like she was very much, Baba, it's you, and, all the time. And Baba keeps saying, no, it's your efforts also. It's not, I give to everyone blessings, love, power, but some children not able to uh, hold that and become the embodiment. But as I said, was a lovely sharing. Dadi keeps saying, it's you, and Baba is saying, no, it's your efforts also. And then after this, Baba said that each one of you, because at confluence age, whatever you do, that becomes your memorial. And that memorial is not in copper age only, that you become worshipper the deity. But even at confluence age, everyone will look and say that I also want to be like Dadi. I want to be like Baba, but the way Dadi did. So I was saying to Dadi, Dadi said that I, like empower everyone, because I always thought that all are Baba's children, and there shouldn't be anyone who has less feelings, either of belonging or I'm not special, or no, Dadi want to make everyone feel that you are special, that you belong to Baba. We are all together. So I said, Dadi, maybe that's why you got extra marks, right? So that's what Dadi said. Always have very, very pure feelings for everyone. Always. Not only good wishes, but pure feelings for everyone. And when they have pure feelings, Baba says, then the light of the soul, or the brightness of the diamond, it keep increasing. So it was everything about love, care, generosity, and upliftment, encouragement. So I said, Dadi, but you were able to maintain, your mercy and your everything all the time. She said, but that's what I was, right? It's not only I was using virtue, but Dadi was the embodiment of those qualities. So it really, really, everyone feels Dadi's presence so much. Those who have met Dadi, but even those who haven't met Dadi, they also have lot of love, pure feelings for Dadi. So basically it was chit chat between Dadi and Baba, and looking at all of us. Dadi said, children also are progressing, but only what they need to be consistent. They have enthusiasm, then it reduces, then they have courage, and then they, fluctuation. But now is the time not only to be stable, but now is the time to be consistent in your stage. And Bab Dada and Dadi gives this blessing. Time is short, so remain stable and consistent. And then lots of love for all of us.
माया मन संस्कार, और संस्कार जीत हो गया तो भाषा खत्म हो गई। उनका नाम है ज्ञानी तू आत्मा योगी तू। उनका नाम है बाप समान बनना। उसका नाम है कि हम बाबा के समान फरिश्ता बने। फरिश्ते के लिए कभी कहा जाएगा कि ए फरिश्ता, अभी तक तेरा ये संस्कार है, अभी तक तेरा ये संस्कार है, अभी तेरे में ये संस्कार है। कोई बोलेगा फरिश्ते को? कहेंगे ये भाषा आएंगी? नहीं। संस्कार शब्द दिव्य गुणों का शब्द नहीं है। संस्कार भाषा ही आसुरी भाषा की है। तो हमें तो बाबा के समान दिव्य गुण मूर्त बनना, तो हम क्यों नहीं यह भाषा करें? तब कहा कि कोई पूछते दादी तेरा, मैं कहती हूँ हाँ, मेरे लिए कोई कहे कि दादी का तो अभी तक ऐसा संस्कार है, मैं समझती हूँ इस जैसी मेरी इंसल्ट कोई नहीं। यही मेरे ज्ञान की तो, मेरे ज्ञान को तो बदनाम कर देवे अगर कोई ये भाषा मेरे लिए भी अभी वर्णन करो। मैं ये नहीं कहती मैं कोई संपूर्ण हूँ, पर मैं लक्ष्य रखती हूँ कि ऐसा मेरी कोई धारणा में कोई कमी न आवे जो कोई कहे कि अभी तक तो इसकी भी ये संस्कार है। नहीं, हम ब्राह्मणों का ये भाषा बदल जाना चाहिए, तब हम सच्चे ब्राह्मण हैं। मैं अपने लिए नहीं कहती, मैं आप सबके साथ। इसका नाम है परिवर्तन। ये परिवर्तन ही ज्ञान की रिजल्ट है। अगर परिवर्तन नहीं तो ज्ञान की रिजल्ट भी नहीं। जैसे कोई ऑफिसर आता है, एक दूसरे से पूछते तो है ना कि हमें समझ में नहीं आता क्या ये सचमुच ब्रह्मा कुमार कुमारियों ने काम को जीता है। हम कहती हूँ तुम लोगों के बुद्धि में समझ में भी कैसे आएगा कि जीता है, क्योंकि उन्हों के लिए तो असंभव है। और बाबा ने तो इस सब बातों को सिद्ध करा दिया। जीता भी शब्द भाषा में आता, लेकिन बाबा ने तो दृष्टि ही बदल दी। हम सब आत्माएं भाई भाई है, हम सब आपस में बहन भाई है, बात खत्म। हम तो ब्राह्मण सो देवता है। तो ये सवाल ही नहीं है कि अभी तक ये अभी तक कभी बंद होगा। आप कहो अभी तक, मैं कहती हूँ कब तक, क्योंकि हम तो कितने ऊंचे बाप के बच्चे बने हैं। ये ऐसा ही है जैसे कोई अगर कहे ये मनुष्य झूठा है, तो मैं अगर कोई को कहूँ ये बिल्कुल झूठा है, तो आपको सुनना कितना बुरा लगे, कितना बुरा लगे या अच्छा लगे। अरे ये तो एकदम झूठा है, अच्छा लगे शब्द बोलूं, लगे अच्छा, तो ये शब्द सुनना बहुत बुरा लगता। और ये कहना कि अभी तक मेरे में माया है, तो क्या ये बुरा नहीं लगता? ये फिर कौन सी रायल भाषा है? क्यों नहीं हम इसी रायल माया को भी खत्म कर दे। जब ऐसी माया को खत्म करेंगे तब जय जयकार का नगारा बजेगा, तब विजयी कहेंगे। क्योंकि बाबा हमें किसी दृष्टि से देखते। अगली मुरली भी चली, बाबा कहते मैं तो देखता हूँ कि तुम्हारे इष्ट, तुम्हारे अष्ट, तुम्हारे कितने यादगार, तुम्हारा कितना पूजन करते। तो बाबा हमारे को देख रहे हैं इष्ट। बाबा वो देखे हमें इष्ट कि बतावे तुम्हारे भक्त तुम्हारे इष्टों का रूप में पूजा करते, और हम अपने को क्या समझे, इष्ट समझे या भ्रष्ट समझे? हम इष्ट है या भ्रष्ट है? कौन है हम? कौन है हम? इष्ट हैं जिन्हों का भगत यादगार करता है, पूजन करते, या हम भ्रष्ट है? अब हम कौन है? इसलिए क्यों नहीं आप, मेरी इतनी बात है कि आप इस बारी इसी लैंग्वेज को अपने में परिवर्तन कर जाओ। अगर कोई कहा जाता है इसका कड़ा संस्कार है, तो मैं कहती हूँ अभी तक उसने माया रावण की छाया है। इसलिए हमको तो अब इस बाबा के बने माना माया के छाया से मुक्त हुए। अगर मुक्त कोई नहीं है तो जरूर उसी के बंधन युक्त है, या मुक्त है या बंधन युक्त। बाबा हमें नाम देते तुम हो स्वदर्शन चक्रधारी, और हम कहें कि हम है माया के चक्रधारी। ये जवाब देवे, ये जवाब देवे। अब बोलो ना, सुनते हैं, हंस रहे हो सभी, हंस रहे हो ना, हंसते है ना।
दादी ओ मीठी दादी, किया हमको प्यार कितना, किया हमको प्यार कितना, किया हमको प्यार कितना।
ऐसे पाप पतित को भी पावन बनाने वाला है, तो आप दुखी को सुख नहीं दे सकते। अपने अभी ट्रायल करना जा करके ट्रायल करेंगे ना, तो पहले चैरिटी बिगिंस एट होम। परिवार में अगर कोई दुख देवे तो भी दुख लेना नहीं, दुआएं देना, रहम दिल बनना पहले घर वालों को करो। आपके घर का प्रभाव मोहल्ले में पड़ेगा, मोहल्ले का प्रभाव देश में पड़ेगा, देश का प्रभाव विश्व में पड़ेगा। सहज है ना? अच्छा,
I am a most fortunate Brahmin. My life has become meaningful and very, very significant. See, I have become a sweet child of God. I am most fortunate one, as God has come down to me, being my father, teacher, and Sadguru. He has become my friend. I am very close to him. I have never thought, even in dreams, that God will become so close to me. I am very lucky. I found him. I belong to him. He belongs to me. He has blessed me with complete purity and all powers. He loves me very much. He is guiding me at every step. I am so fortunate that God loves me. I also love him very much. My Brahmin life itself has become a blessing for the world. God Himself is giving a beautiful sustenance to me. am so fortunate that He takes care of me. He has put His hand of blessing on my head. From His hand, pure energy is spreading and entering my whole body, mind, and intellect. I am an angel. Soul is sitting in the body of light. I am double light. I am lighthouse for the world. I am an angel of purity. Pure vibrations are spreading out from each and every part of my body. I am an angel. I have incarnated on this earth in order to bring peace here. I am an angel of peace. I have to give peace to all souls of this world. Baba has blessed me with full peace. From me, vibrations of peace are going out to the world. I am an angel of love. All souls of the world are my brothers. We all are the children of one Father. I love all. I have to cooperate with all. I am an angel of might. Baba has blessed me with all powers. Many souls of this world are looking towards me with the thirsty eyes. They need might. They need spiritual power. I am Master Almighty Angel. From each part of my body, rays of might are spreading out to the world. Thus, many souls of this world are receiving the vibrations of peace, purity, and might. I am double light angel, giving vibrations to the world. I am a soul, tiny point of energy residing in between two eyebrows. I am a shining point of light. From me, energy is spreading out. I am the master of this body. I am the master of all sense organs. I am the master of mind, intellect, and sanskaras. I am the master of all powers. From me, vibrations of purity and might are spreading in whole of my body. These vibrations cool down my sense organs. These vibrations give energy to each part of my body. I am a soul. I am peaceful. Rays of peace are spreading out from me. I am a pure soul. Pure vibrations are going out from me. I am a mightful soul. Might is spreading out from me. I am the controller of this body. I am a king. This forehead is my throne. I am self-sovereign. Everything is under my control. I am separate from this body. I have entered this body. This body is my medium. All elements of my body got disappeared, and now I am bodiless, incorporeal, point of energy, a shining soul. Only me. I go back to my original home, soul world. I'm in soul world. There I am in a liberated stage, free from all bondages, mukt. From there, I come down and enter a deity body. I am in deity form. In my first birth, I am completely pure. I am perfect. My life is full of all virtues. I am a deity. World Emperor. Sitting on the throne with double crown on forehead. In front of me, there is most beautiful court of deities. Many great deities are sitting there. I'm in golden age. I'm in the heaven, sitting in golden palaces. I can see my Pushpak Viman. I can see deities are moving around. I can enjoy perfect beauty of nature. I am in heaven. Now I am in my worship worthy form. I am Durga with 8 arms. Or I am Vishnu with 4 arms. I can visualize my worship worthy form very clearly. I am sitting in the temple at the place of statue. In front of me, in the temple, there are thousands of devotees are standing there. They have come with different desires and expectations. They are singing the songs in my praise. O Goddess, O God, you are merciful, you are bestower, you are the destroyer of obstacles. You are the bestower of peace. You are one who fulfills all of my desires. You are full of love. You are full of might. Please make me free from all these obstacles. Have mercy upon me. Give your merciful drishti to me. Give your blessings to me. On listening these all things, I give them sakas. From me, from my forehead, vibrations go out. All devotees are receiving those vibrations. Powerful rays of might are going to the devotees. us. Their desires are being fulfilled. They are becoming peaceful. They are going back, being full to satisfy their desires. I am very pure, full of love, full of mercy, full of blessings. I am a worship-worthy goddess. I am a worship-worthy God. Om Shanti.
चरणों में जगह मांगी थी, हमें दिल में बसा लिया।
चरणों में जगह मांगी थी, हमें दिल में बसा लिया।
थे एक नजर के प्यासे, नजरों में समा लिया।
आपका शुक्रिया, आपका शुक्रिया,
आपका शुक्रिया, आपका शुक्रिया। वरदान भरी दृष्टि से हमें बनाया त्रिकालदर्शी।
वरदान भरी दृष्टि से हमें बनाया त्रिकालदर्शी।
जन्मों के पुण्य फले हैं, प्रभु दया है इतनी बरसी। पलकों से उठा कर मोती आंखों का बना लिया।
पलकों से उठा कर मोती आंखों का बना लिया।
थे एक नजर के प्यासे, नजरों में समा लिया।
आपका शुक्रिया, आपका शुक्रिया,
आपका शुक्रिया, आपका शुक्रिया। खुशियों के पंख लगाकर जी करता है उड़ जाऊं।
खुशियों के पंख
के बादल बनकर हर मन की प्यास बुझाऊं, सत्कर्मों के सरगम में गुण गाना सिखा दिया।
सत्कर्मों के सरगम में गुण गाना सिखा दिया।
थे एक नजर के प्यासे नजरों में समा लिया।
आपका शुक्रिया, आपका शुक्रिया,
आपका शुक्रिया, आपका शुक्रिया। चरणों में जगह मांगी थी, हमें दिल में बसा लिया।
चरणों में जगह मांगी थी, हमें दिल में बसा लिया।
थे एक नजर के प्यासे नजरों में समा लिया।
आपका शुक्रिया, आपका शुक्रिया,
आपका शुक्रिया,
आपका शुक्रिया, आपका
आपका
शुक्रिया,
शुक्रिया,
आपका शुक्रिया।